Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Elanie Lubon Pacho. I'm 40 years old. I live at San Roque, Legazpi City, Albay. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have 2 kids, 16 years old and 18 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings. I am second child.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
High school graduate
Why did you not go to college?
because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes. 2 years working up until now.
And your duties are?
Cooking, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, taking care of child.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking and honest.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, I am cesarean section. Way back 2009.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to help my family and to help my children to go study.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Okay, give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them calmly.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I will do my best to be hardworking and honest, and I promise that I will take care of your children, love as my own, and I promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.